Hello, good day. How are you today? You're good, right? Okay. Are you ready for today's lesson? You are? That is good. Today in civic education, we are going to be looking at rights of citizen. Okay? Our topic for today in civic education, it's on rights of citizen. Are we ready for the lesson? Under today's lesson, we are going to be looking at rights of citizen and types of laws existing in Nigeria. Okay? So first we are going to be looking at rights of citizen. The rights of citizens generally include civil rights, protection of individual liberties such as freedom of speech, assembly, and privacy. Okay? Civil rights. These include the right to freedom of speech, assembly, and religion, ensuring citizens can express themselves without fear of persecution. There's also political rights. The ability to participate in the political process through voting, running for office, and engaging in civic activities. Citizens have the right to participate in the political process through voting and running for public office. Social rights. Access to education, healthcare, and social services, ensuring a basic standard of living. Access to education, healthcare, and social services are essential components of a citizen's well-being. Economic rights. The right to work in fair conditions, earn a livelihood, and own property. Citizens should have the opportunity to work in fair conditions and enjoy the fruits of their labor. Economic rights. Cultural rights. Preservation and expression of one's cultural identity without discrimination. Okay? And lastly, environmental rights. The right to live in a healthy environment and participate in environmental decision making. So these are the rights of citizens. Civil rights, political rights, social rights, economic rights, cultural rights, environmental rights. Do you understand? Citizens have rights like freedom of speech, voting, and access to education and healthcare. They also have the right to work in fair conditions and live in a healthy environment. These rights help create a fair and inclusive society. Okay? Now let's look at types of laws existing in Nigeria. In Nigeria, there are different types of laws. Okay? Constitutional law governs the country's fundamental principles and establishes the rights and duties of citizens. Constitutional law deals with basic principles and citizens' rights. Criminal law deals with offenses against the state, specifying punishments for crimes. The criminal law covers crimes and their punishments. Civil law addresses disputes between individuals or entities, often involving compensation rather than punishment. So civil law handles disputes between individuals or groups. Then labor law regulates the relationship between employers and employees, ensuring fair treatment at workplaces. Labor law ensure fair treatment at work. And then environmental law focuses on protecting the environment, addressing issues like pollution and conservation. So environmental law protects the environment from harm. These laws help maintain order and protect people's rights in Nigeria. Okay? Constitutional law, criminal law, civil law, labor law, environmental law. These laws are crucial for maintaining order, protecting rights, and ensuring fair treatment within the Nigerian legal system. Okay? Do you understand? Hope you're not confused. Good. So today's lesson on rights of citizen, we understood everything we looked at, right? We looked at rights of citizen and types of laws existing in Nigeria. So we understood everything. We now know the types of laws existing in Nigeria, right? Okay, that is good. So I'm sure we're going to be able to do our assignment. It's easy, right? Okay, good.